And so the depression rate starts to rise psychologically, like they just don't know how to cope with this stuff. And so one thing that I want to offer everyone, insha'Allah ta'ala, is this beautiful dua, is that you ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give you the ability to recover and to maintain some sense of stability, both mentally, emotionally, physically, in all forms in this world. Depression, domestic issues, just overall emotional struggle, all of these things are on the rise. Now what you're asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala here in this dua is you're asking Allah for stability in life. And this hadith is narrated in Bukhari and Muslim, where he says, there isn't a dua better than the one that you say, Allahumma inni as'aluka al-mu'afata fi dunya wal-akhirah. You're asking Allah Azza wa Jal, oh Allah, indeed I ask you for al-mu'afata in this world and in the akhirah. Now, the whole conversation revolves around what is the meaning of this beautiful word, al-mu'afata. Mu'afata literally means recovery, or somebody who's on the path of getting good health and strength and starting to recover from whatever pain or struggle they're going through. So al-mu'afata is not necessarily restricted to just overall good health, although that's one of the most important things that we will ever have in this world. But it also talks to us about just overall the ability to cope with and to understand and to deal with everything that we find in this world that tends to make life somewhat difficult in whatever way, shape or form. So al-mu'afata is you are asking Allah anything that you have to confront in this world, that you want to be able to do that with the best of health and strength. And even if you happen to go through a situation and you go through it with some sort of pain or struggle, then you want to be able to recover from that. But then this dua also says, وَفِي الْآخِرَةِ, and the hereafter. So in the akhirah, we also want the ability to recover, and we want some sense of stability as we get through a day that is equivalent to 50,000 years. And this dua helps us to do that.